Hold on to your hats, folks. This one's a doozy. Imagine renovating your basement and stumbling upon history. That's exactly what happened to a family just outside Paris. While digging through the dirt and debris, they unearthed an ancient cemetery. And we're not talking about a few old bones here. This burial site spans a whopping 700 years. So how did this happen? Well, the family was in the middle of a pretty standard renovation project when they hit something hard. They called in the experts, and what they found was mind-blowing. Graves from the Roman era, right there under their feet. Archaeologists rushed to the scene and quickly realized they were looking at a cemetery that dated back to the 3rd century AD. Let's put that into perspective. That's older than the Notre Dame Cathedral. These graves have been sitting there, undisturbed, for centuries. Think of the history that's passed by overhead while these ancient souls rested below. The cemetery contains a mix of different burial styles, including Roman sarcophagi and medieval tombs. It's like a time capsule, offering a glimpse into life and death over the ages. But why is it so important? For one, it gives historians and archaeologists a treasure trove of information about the people who lived and died in this area over a long period. Each grave tells a story, from the way the bodies were laid to rest to the artifacts buried with them. It's a rare find that sheds light on the evolution of burial practices and the cultural shifts that occurred over centuries. So next time you think about home renovations, remember this family's incredible find. Who knows what's lurking beneath your floorboards? History is all around us, sometimes literally under our feet. Thanks for tuning in, curious minds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing discoveries. Wow.